Welcome to Roman Vida. This time we're in Phuket, and in this video I'm going to show you the 5-star Paradox Resort Phuket and help you decide whether it's right for you. Let's get straight into it. This resort hotel is absolutely massive. It's located in the southern part of Thailand, right next to Karon beach. This means it's a fair distance away from Phuket International Airport. It takes around an hour without traffic, and with traffic it can easily take 1.5 to 2 hours. As you can see, the lobby is spacious and has an authentic Thailand vibe to it. Here you'll find the usual bits like the check-in desk and the excursion desk. A few steps away you have the lobby bar / sports bar, and then this leads out to the main pool, which is a decent size, and this main pool also has a pool bar itself. Right by the pool you have the Pacifica restaurant, where you can get breakfast, lunch and dinner at additional charge. And then one floor down from the lobby you'll find the kids club and also the fitness centre / the gym, which is open from 6 AM to 10 PM every day. It's a pretty big gym, not the latest equipment, but it's got the full works in terms of treadmills, machines, benches, free weights. You can do any workout here. Now let's check out the Paradox Sea View King Room. I believe these rooms were recently refurbished, so had a modern touch. The bathroom was immaculate. We paid £215 for 2 nights, so around £113 per night, no breakfast included. Room was spacious and had a king-size comfy bed. The star of the show though was this balcony and the view of the resort and the sea, which was just amazing. Let's head back down and walk towards the beach. So we covered the main building of Paradox, and from this point to the beach is full of various different types of villas and the residents' 2 to 3 bedroom suites. As you can see from the map, the majority of the resort is covered by the villas. It takes around 5 to 10 minutes to walk to the beach, so if you can catch a free buggy ride, it's well worth it. Along the way you will come across the coconut pool. However, this is only for premium villa guests only. Then if we carry on our walk towards the beach, then by the spa you have the Sand Chan pool. This pool is available for all guests. And then a few steps away from here you have the beautiful spa itself, where you can get relaxing treatments at an additional charge. And finally we've made it to the beach, where there's another bar and restaurant called Mint. And here you'll also see the impressive resident suites. Across the road you have the stunning Karon beach, where you can relax all day and night. This beach does get quite busy, but it's 5 kilometers long, so you'll be just fine. That brings our hotel overview to a close, but as always, what else is there to do nearby? So first you have Patong Beach, which is only a short 20-minute taxi ride away. Here you'll find a lively nightlife scene and can party the night away. Another thing you can do is take a day trip to Phuket Old Town. Here you can do some sightseeing, do some shopping and check out the local food. There's plenty of other things to do in Phuket, such as going to see the Karon viewpoint, visiting the Big Buddha, and also boat trips to the PP Islands, where you can see the infamous Maya Bay. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please hit the like and subscribe button, and I'll see you on the next one.